Hi, my name is Barry Ryerson. I'm Head of Audio Development at Ryerson Sound Solutions. Today I want to talk to you about what we do here, audio post-production. This can cover things like audio repair, sound design and Foley, bespoke composition, and more importantly, dubbing or re-recording. Today, let's take a look at audio repair. If there's one truth in filmmaking, it's that you can never simply fix it in post. Do the best job you can during shooting. But to err is human, so sometimes you just need to fix those mistakes. Audio mistakes can be things like loud humming noise or camera whir, especially across cuts. Too much reverb in location sound. Bad lip syncing in final edits. Clipping or distortion in audio recordings. These are the kind of things we can fix. But how? Let's take a look at some examples. Loud hum. We have noise reduction effects that can drastically reduce the noise floor. For instance, too much reverb. In this case, the lines were edited very poorly and made an echoey sound. We hunted through hours of original outtakes, which meant we could find the correct version and fix it.
I assure you, Mount Olympus has never been in better shape.
And Lizard Brother rated our stock outperform.
Is it true that the Company of Gods is in dire straits?
I assure you, Mount Olympus has never been in better shape.
And Lizard Brothers rated our stocks outperform.
Bad lip sync. This is a post error. The final edit was done, but the lip sync was lost over the cut. We were able to save the lip sync by using elastic audio to stretch the speed to fit the mouth actions.
Would you contact our public relations office?
Didn't I used to be your job?
Would you contact our public relations office?
Didn't I used to be your job?
Clipping. Distortion is dreadful and often unfixable. That said, we have the tools to fix even this.
And this involves volunteering maybe every 6 weeks on a Sunday night, helping to feed the homeless, or in my case I'm a trustee, so attending a meeting occasionally. And this involves volunteering maybe every 6 weeks on a Sunday night, helping to feed the homeless.
We can't fix every possible audio mistake, but we can save a lot of time and pain by fixing most of them. Please like, subscribe, and check out the website. And if you want to get a huge 30% discount from your first project with us, simply state the code Ryerson 2018. That's Ryerson 2018 in any email with us before the 31st of December 2018. Thank you for watching.